How to use Amazon Photos. So first, download the app. Once it's downloaded, open up the app and then click sign in with Amazon. From here, simply type in your email. Now enter your password. And now the two-step verification. You should get the code on your phone number. There you go. Let's enable permissions. So go to continue, allow full access. Let's don't allow for now. Okay, so what you need to do is make sure that autosave is enabled so that whatever picture you get in your photos or in your gallery, Amazon automatically uploads it to its cloud. Also, if you don't want to waste cellular data, simply just turn this off and then click done. As you can see, the starter plan is $1 a month. Let's just skip this. Now the photos will automatically start uploading to Amazon, whatever is in your photos or whatever is in your gallery. What you can also do is click on your profile picture, go to the uploading, and now you can click start overnight upload. And here, as you can see, it reminds you to keep your phone plugged into your charger. But whatever, let's continue. And now you can simply just exit out of your device, put it on charger, have a good night's sleep until the overnight upload does its thing. Now let's select a random picture like this. Let's click on the three dots, and what you can do is hide it. Just like this. And that's how to hide photos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.